How to solve a Rubik's Cube? With 3 steps. First step is to make a flower with the white and yellow. It's okay if you have this white on the sides, just you make a flower. Then it's just that now you have to match the color with the thing on the color with the middle, like orange and put it at the bottom on the white. Then you have to do it all the way on the same from the others. Repeat doing that until you put the flower on the bottom. Now the next one is the algorithm. So it can move this to this here. The way you can do that is, now you have to put this on blue, blue, red, red. To do that, up, down. And you have to repeat it to the others to make them solve. Keep doing that until the white is there. How many things you do? It's just over. The thing is it's supposed to be on the bottom. Second step, like this. You have to find something with colors but not yellow. Find a color with any color but not the color with yellow. Just do it. Like blue over here in red. Now you have to put it in red, blue, like this. If it's red, don't put it at red like this. Put it at the opposite on the orange. Now you are supposed to do like one, like the one for the other. And keep it do this step. Do it for the others, and it will be done. Then if you do it, you can have this as a cross. Then for the third step, you have to do this. You need to make a L like this, then turn this, and do the same from step 1. Then one more. And boom. The cross has been made and time for the 3-3. To do the 3-3, you have to face the colors at the same color. Like blue, blue, red, red. So this is okay, right? Then this is gonna be like green and green with orange and orange. So now you have to find something that you can do. Like 1, 2, 3. Now move to this side. 1, 2, 3. You don't need to do that again because it should make the concept. Orange, orange, blue, blue. Orange, 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 blue, blue. Now we have to do it on this side because this is down. Now you have to check if they're all correct. Now you have to put the yellow on the bottom and match. Just pick a color when you're just gonna look at it and don't move like this. Then you have to find yellow to do with the thing on the first step, and it will be like this. So do the pattern as like step 1 that you like. Imagine that you're doing this on the white thing so you cannot be distracted. And after that, we're going on to solve cube. Thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for 1 million subscribers.